Good morning, sir.
Good morning, guys. Just give me a couple of minutes. We'll start. I'll just send a Google form for today's attendance. Please fill that.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, ma. Good morning. I've just sent a Google form in your WhatsApp. Ma. Please fill that. Today's attendance. Okay. So whoever is here, no, I don't know. Only. I just saw that only a few of you have done this. Hour three for today. Many people haven't attempted it. Can you see my screen? You can see my screen. You can see that many people have not attempted it. As per request from a few students, I have enabled retaking the course, retaking the lesson, so you can go through it, attempt it how many other times that you want. That's not a problem, but at least you can review the videos, you can review the content. So, as you can see in the report, many people haven't attempted it. Please attempt it, because after I see the Google form, I will have a look at whether you have filled this, you have completed the quiz or not, and then only give you attendance in Cameo. Okay. So please make sure that you finish this by today. Okay. Second thing, a lot of you have confusion saying that these quizzes go towards internal marks. These quizzes do not go towards internal marks. Please understand that. Okay. These quizzes are only meant for your attendance in Cameo. All right. So what goes towards your internal marks is these, the record work. Okay. Now, even this, see, for exercise 2, you have time till this Friday. I sent it only last Saturday. But I can see that for even exercise 1, many people haven't attempted it. Let me just show you. Out of 80, only 54 have submitted. So if you want your internal marks, please do not, wait for the last time. I have removed all restrictions. You can do this anytime you want, but see, if you do these exercises every week, then you won't accumulate work till the end. I hope you understand. This is what is most important. Okay, these exercises. This is as per your syllabus. First three exercises are based on verbal. It is available in your syllabus. Okay. So out of 10 experiments, that is 10 exercises, since this is a practical paper, you have ten exercises. So every week I give you one exercise. Please do not accumulate. Please finish it. Okay. Let me see the submissions. One second. See, many people haven't attempted at all. Uh, Satvik, Kushal, Jagan, Hemachandran. You guys haven't attempted and you haven't submitted it at all. See Yogeshwaran, Hari Krishnan, Rahul, Padmanabhan. Please make sure you finish this. Uh, Let me have a look at exercise 2. Exercise 2, only 5 are completed, but you have time till Friday, so that's not a problem. Please make sure that you finish this work on time now. Okay, right. So for today's work, let's just have a review, just on 5 minutes. Just have a look at the questions and then we'll wind up. Any other questions, doubts you have regarding today's session? Where, I mean, I hope everyone attended this. You went through the videos and saw the quizzes, hopefully. Yes? Okay. So anybody can answer. We'll just go through the questions one by one. Odd word out of the 5 choices. This one, which is the odd word out? Hmm? Hasten, not has. Hasten means to make things on a in a quick, to do something quickly, okay, without thinking. That is hasten. To make something faster. Okay. Second one. What about this? What about this one? Which is the odd word out here, ma? Solace. What is the meaning of solace? Solace means loneliness. Okay. So that's got nothing to do with danger. Okay. Next one. Slob. What is the meaning of slob? Slob is a lazy person. Okay. Next one. Yeah. Next one. Lift, absorb, elevate. Absorb. Everything else means to raise. Okay. Jumble sentences. Let's go to MCQ1. Yeah. So what is the order over here? Obviously, it's very easy because you start with a capital letter. That is going to be the first sentence. So, correct. RQPS. Correct. When he heard the hue and cry at midnight, he was nervous and didn't know what to do. Okay. Next one. Yarpa, there. Ganesh, please mute. Okay. This one. According to reports, sum of, which is the choice? Correct one. Very good. Some of the passengers were still trapped inside the wrecked bogies of the express. Right. Next one. Actually, this is just an idea, just to give you an idea of what kind of jumbled sentences would come. In the actual aptitude test that you get in the placement exams, you have slightly longer sentences. This is just to get you into the groove, nothing else. Okay, what about this one? Q, QS, RP. Perfect. Okay, next one. S obviously is the first one. SQRP. QRP. Yeah. This one. Okay, good. Okay, synonyms and antonyms, few questions here and there. Okay, synonym of abundant. Abundant means lots of. So, yes, plenty. Perfect. Okay, next one. Synonym of browse. Very good. Perfect. Antonym means opposite of concerned. Indifferent. Yeah, means not bothered at all. Unconcerned. Right. Again, antonym of obey. Yeah, ignore. Yeah. Okay, that's all I guess. All right. Any other doubts, questions? Everybody, I hope you are hearing. Please fill that Google form for attendance. I will have a look at that. I'm repeating again and again. I have a look at that. And then I have a look at the quizzes that you have attended. And then only I put attendance in CAMU on Saturdays. Attendance will be put only on Saturdays, but I want you to fill the form right away. Please don't miss out on filling the form. Let me just check how many I've filled now. Okay, I have about 63 responses. That's fine. So whoever hasn't filled, please fill it right away. Okay. Any other doubts, questions? Somebody has asked August 10th. Who is this? That's okay. Any other doubts, questions, ma? See, some of you are not in this class at all, but still you've been attending. And then you say put attendance. You've been attending some other class during the week. That is absolutely not possible for me. Only for this particular class, the slot number is 2S1-1 and 2S1-6. Okay, so Monday 8 to 10 a.m. 19EY705 is the course number. Please understand, if you're not in the slot, then find out from your mentor which slot it is. My name is Subramaniam. Somebody called me yesterday and said he's in Anbukani faculty. He's been changed to Anbukani, it seems. I don't know why. See, these issues you have to sort out with your mentor in the ERP department. As a faculty, I cannot do anything about it. Okay. I do not have access to making a student join into Cameo. I can make you join in my WhatsApp group, but not in Cameo. So anything related to Cameo, please ask the ask your mentor or ask the ERP support group. You guys understand? I hope it is clear. Okay, right, ma. Any other doubts or questions? If you have, then ask me. Otherwise, we can wind up. Okay, happy to wind up early.